Why is my RC motor stuttering? Imagine you're racing your RC car and suddenly, the motor starts hesitating, making the car jerk or lose power. It can be frustrating, but understanding why this happens can help you fix it quickly. When your RC motor stutters, it usually means something is off between the motor and the electronic speed controller. The electronic speed controller is the brain that manages how much power the motor gets and how it runs. In most cases, especially with brushless motors, the issue is with how the ESC and the motor communicate. Brushless motors need precise signals from the ESC to run smoothly. If the signals are weak or not synchronized, the motor will hesitate or run unevenly. This is common when the motor is starting from 0 RPM because the ESC has trouble detecting the rotor's position. The ESC uses a method called sensorless control, which estimates the rotor position based on back electromotive for signals. If these signals are weak at low speeds, the ESC can't keep the motor in sync, causing stuttering. Another cause is loose or faulty wiring. If the wires connecting the ESC to the motor are loose, damaged, or poorly soldered, power or signals can cut in and out, making the motor jerk or stop. Checking all connections and making sure they are tight and secure can often solve this problem. The quality and compatibility of your components also matter. If your ESC is rated for a certain current and your motor demands more, the control can become unstable. Similarly, a motor with a higher pole count, like 4 or 6 poles, provides better resolution for the ESC to work with, reducing stuttering. Using mismatched parts can cause control issues even if the components are high quality. Throttle signal problems are another common cause. If the receiver or transmitter isn't calibrated correctly, or if the throttle channel isn't working properly, the ESC won't get a consistent signal. This can lead to sudden hesitation or stuttering. Calibrating your ESC to match your transmitter's throttle range and making sure the receiver is properly bound can fix this. Overheating or electrical stress can also cause stuttering. If the ESC or motor gets too hot or is overloaded, the ESC might reduce power or shut down temporarily to protect itself. This results in the motor cutting out or hesitating. Ensuring your ESC is rated for your motor's current draw and keeping everything cool can prevent this. To fix or prevent motor stuttering, start by checking all wiring connections and making sure they are tight and soldered well. Then, calibrate your ESC to your transmitter's throttle range. Use components that match in specifications, especially the SE's current rating and the motor's pole count. Keep your motor and ESC cool during operation, and verify your receiver is properly bound and functioning. Remember, the ESC is responsible for interpreting signals and managing power. If it can't do that accurately because of wiring issues, mismatched parts, or overheating, your motor will hesitate. Making sure everything is compatible, secure, and calibrated will keep your RC motor running smoothly and eliminate that annoying stutter.